There are so many great resources out there for Hour of Code to help celebrate Computer Science Education Week in December. This video is going to show you Google for Education's latest activity with CS First, and it's called Code Your Hero. So let's take a look at this. Once you get to the page, and the website's right up here, you'll see Hour of Code. And let's click on the little blue arrow just to see the steps that they suggest. So it's optional. You can create a CS First account so that you can track your students' work and progress. It's a really great feature. Step 2 suggests some optional planning activities that your students could use to help them brainstorm their work. Step 3 is them actually starting to code. They'll watch some videos and go through the codings. And then step 4 is to show off their work. So if you would like to show your students' work, you can share them on Twitter using the hashtag CSFirst and Code Your Hero, as well as your school hashtag and district hashtag. Now let's take a look at the actual Code Your Hero activity. So I'll close up this little blue arrow and scroll down just a bit, and here is the lesson. So Code Your Hero activity. You'll start with step 1, Introduction from Hero to Superhero. Click this link and it will take you to the lesson page. For each lesson, you'll start with a video on the left-hand side, and then some instructions, and then the starter project link is right on the bottom right-hand corner. These videos are fantastic. This intro video starts off explaining what the video is all about. I'm going to fast forward just a little so you can get an idea of how helpful these tutorials are.
Scratch includes costumes that change a character's or sprite's appearance. In this project, the costumes are different sprites you can choose. Select the Costumes tab and pick one to represent your hero. Next, make your sprite say something about what kind of hero they are. From the Looks menu, drag out 2 Save for 2 seconds blocks and connect them. Click the block stack to see what happens. Change the text in the blocks to show your hero's personality and powers.
So you can see these tutorials are really thorough. They go step by step, easy to follow, and then your students can try it on their own. Once your students are done with their lesson, they have additional add-ons. They can move ahead and try some different ways to code. And they're all down here. Choose an add-on. You can move your hero, try to fly over buildings, all sorts of different things that your students can try. Again, they have a tutorial that they can watch and then try it on their own. That's it. Code Your Hero with CS First Google for Education.